manufacturing. From the screen on which you are watching this video to the snugly fit shoes you're wearing, we are surrounded by things that came into existence through the creative process of manufacturing. As an industry, manufacturing combines various activities that results in transformation of materials, substances, and goods into usable and new products. It creates and builds what we want, in the way we want, and in the quantity we need it. The technology revolution has made the manufacturing industry more capable and efficient in delivery. However, the increasing market demand has made it obligatory for the industry to increase its output and size, exposing it to new challenges and unique problems. How can the manufacturing industry overcome these challenges and solve its problems? With smart ERP and CRM solutions. ERP systems are a set of comprehensive, integrated applications that help production plants and manufacturing units by providing users with a single platform through which they can monitor and manage all operation. From production planning and acquisition of raw materials to quality control and fixed assets management, ERP systems assist you in navigating the whole manufacturing process with ease and also provide you with powerful data and insights. In simpler words, our manufacturing software would help you manage every aspect of production, including the finer details such as quality control tests, scheduling and job definition of machines, while integrating all data with the finance module. Focus Softnet has been a trusted provider of manufacturing ERP solutions in 17 countries across the globe. Our ERP systems are not only fully integrated and comprehensive, they're also fully customizable and have features to help you in statutory compliance. Connect with us today to talk with our expert consultants. Visit focussoftnet.com.